Welcome to Polly's podcast, bringing professional medical researchers together to serve common goals: getting healthy, dropping unwanted excess body fat, and mitigating cancer and other inflammatory risks. The research notes for this episode are in the description below, along with scientific research to support the claims made in this episode. Did you know the same hormone that helps your body use sugar can also fuel cancer growth? That hormone is insulin, and today, we're diving deep into how high insulin levels, often triggered by the foods we eat, can create the perfect environment for cancer to spread. Insulin's main job is simple. It helps your cells absorb sugar, or glucose, from your blood. Think of it like a key that unlocks the door so sugar can enter the cell and be used for energy. But insulin isn't just about sugar, it's also a growth signal. When insulin levels are high, your body is basically being told, grow, grow, grow. That message goes to muscle cells, fat cells, and unfortunately, cancer cells too. Here's where carbohydrates come in. When you eat carbs, especially refined ones like bread, pasta, sugary drinks, desserts, fruit, and some starchy vegetables, your body breaks them down into glucose. That glucose floods your bloodstream, and your pancreas responds by pumping out insulin to bring those levels down. But if this happens over and over, big carb meals, constant snacking, sugary drinks, you get repeated insulin spikes. Over time, your cells can become resistant to insulin, meaning your body has to release even more of it to get the job done. That's called insulin resistance. Now, why is this dangerous? Because chronically high insulin doesn't just manage sugar, it also stimulates another growth factor called IGF-1. IGF-1 acts like an accelerator pedal for cell division. More IGF-1 means cells divide faster, multiply more, and that includes cancer cells. So those constant carb-driven insulin spikes can create the perfect storm: high blood sugar, high insulin, and a growth-friendly environment for cancer. Research has shown that elevated insulin and insulin resistance are linked to higher risks and worse outcomes in several cancers, like breast, prostate, and colorectal. Think of it this way: cancer cells thrive when the body is constantly signaling growth. And high insulin is like giving them a green light. It's not just about sugar cravings or weight gain. It's about how the foods we eat can literally change the hormonal environment inside our bodies. A diet heavy in carbs and sugars doesn't just spike your blood sugar. It can set the stage for cancer to grow and spread faster. So what's the takeaway? Managing insulin levels matters. Choosing complete proteins, balancing lean and fatty proteins with clean fats to fuel hormones and fat-soluble vitamins, and avoiding constant sugar spikes can help keep insulin in check. It's about cleaning up your body's fuel sources. It's about being smart with the foods you eat. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, make sure to check out Polly's podcast, where we dive even deeper into the science behind nutrition, hormones, and cancer risk. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more topics like carnivore diet, weight loss, and mitigating cancer risk. And remember, Polly's podcast is where the conversation continues, so tune in and let's keep learning together.